This looks so fucking stupid, doesn't it? Oh, sit up. This don't look right, right? This don't look right.
Yeah. No. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Ariana. Hi, pretty girl. Where you going? Ariana. Ariana.
Do you need wheels? You can look inside your Go-Gurt box to see if you've won. See specially marked packages for details. Write in to play for free. Many will enter, thousands will win instantly.
Excitement is bubbling up everywhere.
You coming to see the kitty? Shut up.
Parents everywhere are soaking up the credit.
Well, I am always saying clean up your act, you know?
Yes,
That is my specialty.
Once bathed with attention, washcloth, soap, and even toys have all done a disappearing act. One sponge outperforms them all. The SpongeBob sponge comes filled with soap. Just wet and wash. You could use it over and over again. The soap is built in. SpongeBob is bringing back the bath.
There's soap and happiness in every bubble. I don't have to be asked to take a bath. That time's a blast!
For $14.99 plus $5 shipping and handling, you can get 2 SpongeBob sponges. You must be 18 or older to order. You must be 18 or older to order.